A warm welcome to our Python programming with data science. You're learning the most popular programming language in 2020. Now let's come to the essential question. Why learn Python for data science? Now, before we explore how to learn Python for data science, I think let's answer why should you learn Python in the first place? In short, understanding Python is one of the valuable skills needed for a data science career. Python is the programming language of choice for data science, and let's really look at a brief history. In 2016, Python replaced Java as the most popular language in colleges, universities, and corporates, and has never looked back. Again, in 2016, it overtook R on Kaggle, the premier platform for data science competitions. In 2017, it overtook R on KD Nugget's annual poll of data scientists' most used tools. And moving on, in 2018, 66% of data scientists reportedly used Python daily, making it the #1 tool for analytics professionals. In 2019, IEEE Spectrum, which is the world's largest professional organization dedicated to applied science and engineering, has ranked Python at the top of the list of top programming languages in 2019. And 2020, TUAB analysts believe that within 3 to 4 years' time, Python will probably replace C and Java to become the most popular programming language in the world. Now, data science experts expect this trend to continue with increasing development in the Python ecosystem. And while your journey to learn Python programming may be just the beginning, it's nice to know that employment opportunities are abundant and growing as well. According to Indeed, the average salary for a data scientist is US dollar $127,918. The good news, that number is only expected to increase. The experts at IBM predicted a 28% increase in demand for data scientists by the year 2020. So the future is bright for data science, and Python is just one piece of the proverbial pie. Fortunately, learning Python and other programming fundamentals is as attainable as ever. But remember, just because the steps are simple doesn't mean you won't have to put in the work. If you apply yourself and dedicate meaningful time to learning Python, you have the potential not only pick up a new skill, but potentially bring your career to a new level altogether.